In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up OneDrive storage when full. If you're seeing warnings that your cloud space is maxed out, don't worry, we're going to clean things up quickly and safely using the OneDrive website. Start by opening your web browser and searching for OneDrive. Click the official OneDrive link and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click My Files. This is where everything's stored in your OneDrive lives, documents, photos, videos, and folders. Take a moment to scan through what you have. A helpful tip here is to look for large items first. Videos, zipped archives, and old backups often take up a lot of space. You can use the search bar or sort your files and folders to quickly spot what you no longer need. Next, select the files or folders you want to delete or remove. You can click individual items or use the checkboxes to select multiple entries at once. Be deliberate here. If you're unsure about a file, consider opening it in a new tab to double check before deleting. Remember, anything you delete will go to the recycle bin first, so you'll still have a safety net until you permanently clear it. With your item selected, click the trash bin icon on the left side of the screen. This action removes the selected files from My Files and moves them into the recycle bin. You should see them disappear from your list, which means they've been moved successfully. Now, to actually free up space, you need to empty the recycle bin. Click Empty Recycle Bin. You'll likely get a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully because this step is permanent. Once you confirm, OneDrive will permanently delete the items and immediately free up storage space in your account. If you realize you deleted something by mistake, you can restore it from the recycle bin before you empty it. But after you confirm the empty command, the files are gone for good, so take a final moment to review before you proceed. That's it. You searched for OneDrive and logged in, clicked My Files, selected what you no longer need, sent those items to the recycle bin, and then emptied it to reclaim your storage. This quick routine keeps your OneDrive lean, organized, and ready for new files. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to keep your storage tidy by repeating these steps whenever space starts to fill up.